Hey, Vince with Master Remodelers, and you can see from the background here, I'm standing in front of one of our portable toilets on a bathroom remodel job that we have currently going on. And I get asked sometimes, why do you guys insist on having a portable toilet on all of your job sites? Well, I'm here to answer that question. We insist on having a portable toilet on all of our job sites for several reasons. Safety. We don't want to be in areas of your house where the work isn't going on. Yeah, we might need to access, your garage, a spare room, or something like that where the breaker panel is or the water shutoff is. But other than that, we don't really have any business traipsing through your house where work isn't going on. So safety. Another reason is cleanliness. We want to keep the mess in the area of the house where the work's going on. We set up dust barriers to contain the dust and the debris and the mess, but we don't want to be, again, walking through areas of the house where the work is not going on. And respect, again, that kind of goes over to the safety and the cleanliness. We just want to respect your home and, only invade the areas, as it were, where work is going on. So, that's just a quick answer to the question, why do you guys always insist on having portable toilets on the job site? You can see they're not really like the toilets of old. They're clean, they're sanitary. The companies we use service them on a regular basis, so they're not smelly, they're not nasty. And again, it's just really a safety and respect thing for you and your home. So that's why we always insist on having a portable toilet on the job site. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.